Hey everyone, the Fossibot S3 Pro stands out as an excellent option for anyone seeking a budget-friendly smartphone packed with premium features. Priced at an affordable $139 during its launch on January 20th on AliExpress, this device is making waves for its impressive specifications and innovative dual-screen AMOLED design. One of the standout features of the Fossibot S3 Pro is its dual-screen configuration. The primary display is a stunning 6.67-inch 2K AMOLED curved screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, a pixel density of 394 ppi, and a 20:1 aspect ratio, 9 aspect ratio. This screen is ideal for activities such as gaming, browsing, and streaming videos, offering vibrant colors, sharp details, and deep blacks. The curved edges not only enhance the immersive viewing experience, but also lend the device a premium aesthetic and feel. Complementing the main screen is a circular 1.09-inch rear display. This secondary screen allows users to quickly check essential information, such as the time, date, and notifications, without the need to activate the primary display. This practical and stylish addition enhances the phone's usability and unique design. Under the hood, the Fossibot S3 Pro is powered by the Helio G85, an octa-core processor designed for efficient everyday performance. The phone comes equipped with 128 gigs of internal storage, expandable via a microSD card, and 8 gigs of RAM, which can be virtually expanded up to 20 gigs. This configuration ensures smooth multitasking and ample storage space for apps, photos, and videos. The device's AMOLED technology is a key highlight. Unlike traditional LCDs, AMOLED screens use self-emissive pixels, which enhance contrast, deliver true blacks, and improve energy efficiency. The display's peak brightness of 800 nits ensures excellent visibility, even in bright outdoor conditions. For photography enthusiasts, the S3 Pro features a 64 megapixels primary rear camera, accompanied by a 2 megapixels macro lens and an 8 megapixels front camera for selfies. These cameras are designed to capture high-quality images in various settings. Security is handled by an in-display fingerprint sensor, adding a layer of convenience and protection. The Fossibot S3 Pro is equipped with a robust 5,000 mAh battery that supports 18-watt fast charging, ensuring it stays powered throughout the day. The device will be available on AliExpress starting January 20th at the special launch price of $139. With its innovative dual-screen design, vibrant AMOLED display, and reliable performance, the Fossibot S3 Pro offers excellent value for money. Don't miss the opportunity to grab this feature-packed smartphone at a competitive price by visiting AliExpress or the official Fossibot website. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.